Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the secrets hidden in plain sight within corporate filings. And today, PDS Biotechnology is giving us a peek behind the curtain, and it looks like they've got some big news about their clinical trial. Stick around to see what these results could mean for the company's future. So, PDS Biotechnology Corporation, a company focused on developing immune-stimulating therapies for cancer, has just dropped the Form 8K, which basically means they're reporting a significant event that could affect their investors. And the big news here is all about the Versatile 002 clinical trial and its survival data. The trial looked at their PDS 0101 drug, also known as Versamune HPV, when given along with Keytruda, a well-known cancer drug from Merck. They were testing this combination on patients with a specific type of head and neck cancer that has come back or spread, and it's a particularly nasty one where the cancer is HPV 16 positive. What this means is they're trying to see if their new therapy can make a standard cancer treatment work even better, or at least offer a new option for patients facing a tough diagnosis. This report comes out on August 25th of 2025, and it's announcing the final big picture results from this trial. When companies release top-line data, it's usually the first look at the most important outcomes. The headline numbers before all the nitty-gritty details are ironed out. For a cancer trial, survival data is king. It tells you whether patients lived longer because of the treatment. Now let's quickly look at how PDS Biotechnology is traded. Their common stock trades under the ticker PDSB on the Nasdaq Capital Market. This tells us they are a publicly traded company that investors can buy and sell shares of. The filing itself is pretty straightforward, mainly pointing to a press release dated August 25th, 2025 as the source of this crucial information. This press release is actually what's included with the filing, so we can in theory read all the details ourselves, but that's what we're here for, to boil it down. Leading the charge and signing off on this report is Frank Beduido, the President and Chief Executive Officer. This is standard practice, showing the top leadership is aware of and stands behind the reported information. Now, what's the real story here? PDS Biotechnology is in the business of developing new ways to fight cancer, specifically by getting the body's own immune system to attack cancer cells. Their PDS 0101 is designed to boost that immune resolving, combining it with a powerful drug like Keytruda, which is a type of immunotherapy that already works by unleashing T cells to fight cancer. Makes a lot of sense. They are essentially trying to amplify the signal that tells the immune system to attack. Head and neck cancers, especially those driven by the HPV virus, can be very challenging to treat, particularly when they return or spread. Current treatments have limitations, and patients often need new options that can improve their chances of survival and quality of life. So positive results from this Versatile 002 trial could mean a significant step forward for PDS Biotechnology, potentially validating their core technology and paving the way for larger, more definitive trials and eventually, if all goes well, regulatory approval. What we're waiting to hear, and what the press release likely details, are those final two-line survival numbers. Did patients on the PDS 0101 plus Keytruda combo live significantly longer than those who received Keytruda alone or another standard treatment? Did the combination therapy show any concerning side effects that outweigh the benefits? These are the critical questions investors and patients will be looking at. If the data is strong, it could significantly boost PDS Biotechnology's stock price, attract potential partners for future development or even outright acquisition, and most importantly, offer a more hopeful outlook for patients suffering from this type of cancer. Conversely, if the data is weak or shows no significant improvement, it could be a major setback for the company, potentially impacting its valuation and future research. The company's strategy seems to be centered on proving that their Versamune technology can enhance the effectiveness of existing cancer therapies. This filing is a crucial checkpoint in that strategy. It's not really about financial tables in this specific report, it's about the clinical progress, which is the lifeblood of a biotech company. Now, looking at the broader picture, PDS Biotechnology is operating in a very competitive and high-stakes field. Many companies are vying for breakthroughs in cancer treatment. Success in one trial doesn't guarantee success in later stages or on the market, but it's a vital step that builds confidence. The real value for a company like this is in its pipeline and the data it generates. For PDS Biotechnology, a win here with Versatile 02 would be a massive validation. It would suggest that Versamune is a platform technology that can be applied to various cancers and combined with different treatments. This is where the real shareholder value comes from, the potential of a successful drug to reach the market and help patients. So to wrap it up, this 8K filing from PDS Biotechnology is significant because it announces the release of the final survival data from their versatile ORO2 trial for head and neck cancer. This data will be critical in determining the future direction and potential success of their PDS-0101 therapy when used in combination with Keytruda. The market will be closely watching these results for signs of improved patient survival, which could unlock significant value for the company and offer new hope to patients. What's your take on this clinical trial update? Do you think PDS Biotechnology is on the right track? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Corporate Decoder for more insights into the world of business and finance. We also have a fantastic Discord community where we discuss these filings in more detail, so make sure to check that out via the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.